Okay, I'm making a video.
Take a picture.
Wow. Can you tell me about the train?
Holiday train.
Holiday train. Whoa! Oh wow, it lights up? Is that ever cool? What do you think of that, honey?
Good, Mom.
Good, you like it.
Santas are skating, Mama.
Santas are what?
Santas are skating.
Are skating? Oh my gosh, it has an ice rink?
No, it doesn't break.
An ice rink, honey. That's what, not break, ice rink.
You like the sound too, Mama?
I do.
The train makes double, dead batteries.
The train likes dead batteries?
Yeah, dead batteries.
Oh, the batteries are dead, but they still work, huh?
Yeah, because the train makes dead batteries.
Okay.
Hey, Mom, look at the Santas.
Look at the Santas.
Yeah, over there.
Oh, wow. Look at the Santas. Is that ever cool? Very neat.
No, the Christmas tree is down there.
Okay, right here.